So, you know the reason why I brought the sirens here is because we are doing a commemoration of what happened 23 years ago of 9/11. I brought in the Hurricane, no blower, and then 500 SHTT. And also, you could tell behind them is the modulator, which is going to be doing attack while these two are going to be doing alert. Oh, sorry, 500. And the reason why I'm bringing these two is because apparently they're the only sirens that have battery compartments. Because two of the sirens, which are almost done, just need battery compartments, that's all. While there's three of them, which are not really completed yet, and they're not ready for battery compartments yet. So, let's do this. 500, you go first. Hurricane, you go second. And modulators, you go third. One more thing, guys. If you had any relatives 23 years ago of 9/11 in the planes, Twin Towers, or the Pentagon, I'm sorry for your loss, but I will respect all of you guys who had relatives in the Twin Towers, planes, and the Pentagon. So rest in peace to those people who were in the planes, Twin Towers, and the Pentagon. 7 signing out.